Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits. And should you sit on your bits? Should you sit on your Bitcoin after that massive dump that it's taken? On Monday it was over 10 grand, and now as you can see here, it's $8,339. It took a massive dump. If we go here, look at that fucking vertical line there, where it took a dump. So yeah, keep a close eye on it. There is talk of it going to just over 7 grand. And then, eventually, I'm confident it will shoot up. I know there's a lot of talk of it hitting 40 grand by the end of the year. I don't know personally. It will go up, but I can't see it hitting 40 grand by the end of the year. But you never know. We've seen patterns before where it dumps hard, levels out, and then it starts to rise. So you never know. You never know what's going to happen with it. But just keep a close eye on it. If you are a hodler of Bitcoin, keep a close eye on it at the minute. There's a lot of talk about what it's going to do. You got one side saying it's going to flatten down to fuck all, and then obviously you've got a lot of talk about it hitting possibly £1 million a coin. So keep a close eye on it at the minute. I say it has taken this sharp dump, and the problem, what happens with that is that people panic, and then you obviously you get all the people on the back of it putting their fucking articles out and their hate speech saying, oh, this is it, this is the big dump, it's going to go. People panic, people start selling, people see the sell orders going on, and then it just snowballs and everyone starts selling and it just forces the price down. But then on the flip side of that, good time to buy. I think it will go down a little bit more before it starts going back up again. But yeah, keep a close eye on it. I say for if you hold it, to keep an eye to sell it and then buy it back again when it goes lower. And then on the other side, if you don't own any, or if you do, just why it's low, it's a good time to buy in. But yeah, keep a close eye on it. It's kind of exciting. No one likes a dump like that. But then on the flip side, there is opportunities there when it dumps like that. So yeah, keep a close eye on it. Something like this, CoinMarketCap, which I'm sure you know about, is great for giving you up to the date, up to the minute news on what's going on in the markets. But yeah, keep a very close eye on it. I say if you're interested in getting into Bitcoin, it could be the chance to watch it over the next few days and see what happens. It could be a good time to buy in, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, keep a close eye on Bitcoin at the minute if you are a hodler. Yeah, another thing I wanted to go over today as well is Cloud Token. This has massive potential. It really does. It has massive potential. If you watch some of the videos on here, there are guys on here that are making 65 grand a month. 65 grand a month. And that's passive income for doing fuck all. So imagine that. You're getting 65 grand in, every month off the bat for doing nothing, and then you're doing your trading on top. Fuck me, game changer. Obviously, it starts off slow. You have to build it up, but if it's a bit of a slow burner. But if you can get into that sort of money, that's ridiculous. I'm making daily rewards. I think I've got about, I can't remember, $70 worth, $80 worth in there. I transferred some of my money over into Jarvis to help that going. So it's a bit of a slow process, but it is working. It is giving me daily rewards every day. Just before 12 o'clock, I get my rewards, which are going up. So I can see that it is working. Just have a look. I'll just show you now. Have a look at this. Okay, so here we are on the Cloud Token app. Now, the most exciting thing about this is that obviously we all know that crypto eventually is going to take over, mass adoption and all that. And if you get in early with this, and the more people that find out about it and sign up with it, the bigger it's going to get. So there is massive potential to get a passive income from this. So for just doing nothing. As you can see here, my Cloud Token, I've got $17 in there. Now, the reason there's only $17 in there is because all the money I had in there before, which I think was about $60, I transferred into the Jarvis just to add as much to that as I can. So it all helps with the rewards
coming back. So since I've done that, now I've gained another $17 just from the rewards that I get every day. As you can see, I've got a little bit of ETH there, $13 from when I put some of that in, and also some Bitcoin. But if we go to rewards, now you can see here, now I know that it's only a small amount, but I've noticed that it is every single day I get my rewards and my share rewards. So as you can see there, every day they go in at just before 12 o'clock at night. So it is working. I know it doesn't look a lot, but it will only grow. It will only get bigger and bigger and bigger and snowball into bigger rewards. So, but I can see that it does work, and I know it works because I say I get them every day. Now, the thing of this is, once you do start to get a bigger reward, it will escalate very, very quickly. So once you start getting, say, $100 a day, it won't be long before you're on $200 a day until you're on to $1,000 a day. It will happen very, very quickly. The more that the rewards you get, the more people that sign up under you. So it has got massive, massive potential. Now, if we go to, I'll just show you here the history. Where I put there at the top there, I put the ETH back into the Jarvis. So that's why I've only got the $17. Because if you see my previous videos, I think the last video I did, it was like $40. So I put all of that in, and then I've made the $17 since. But one thing that's very, very, very important when you sign up with this, you must put, if you deposit into this, like I say, you need to get the rewards. You need to put in you need to have $500 in there. So it's advisable to put a bit extra, just to cover that safety net for if Bitcoin dumps like it did yesterday. But it puts it into a holding wallet. But then what's very, very important, I know I've said this on every video, but it's very important to get the benefits of the rewards. You need to put it into the Jarvis wallet. So you go to projects here. Go to Jarvis, click anywhere on this face, and then that'll bring you up a little box. You pick which crypto you use, whether it be Litecoin, Dogecoin. I use Bitcoin, so you click on Bitcoin, and then you put the amount in that you want to transfer to Jarvis. So it's very, very important you do that, and then press proceed, and then that'll put it into Jarvis, and then you can start getting the rewards. But the beauty of this is, I know, like I said, I know I'm not making huge amounts yet, but I can see that it works. I have got those daily rewards, which I can see are going in every day, and that will only get bigger. So it has got huge potential.
So yeah, as you can see, it does work, but it is very, very important to, if you deposit into it, to put that money into the Jarvis wallet so you can get the rewards. But I think this has got massive, massive potential. You know, crypto is the way forward. You know, there's a lot of talk of, well, you can see it that, you know, that slowly, you know, checks. No one uses a check now. Next, it'll be the credit card. Soon, it'll all be done through crypto. It's a lot quicker. It's a lot easier. So something like this, get in early. You know, so when it does, I mean, they reckon it's about 1% of the population is into crypto. Okay, so you imagine when as that gets bigger, as it is every day, if Facebook bring out their coin, they'll be ramming crypto down everyone's throat. Everyone will know about it, and it will suddenly take off. So if you are in early with something like this, it could be massive. I say passive income, getting a shitload of money for doing nothing. I say you do have to start off. You do need $500, minimum of $500 for to get the reward scheme. Obviously, with Bitcoin taking that dump that it did, you're going to need to put a bit more in. So just in case, you know, I put 550 originally. It went very close to, I think it even went under that, and then I put another 100 in, so I had put in 650 just to give me that safety net if Bitcoin does take a dump like it did yesterday. But yeah, this has got massive potential. It really has. If you click, there's a link below this video. If you click on that, that'll take you to the Cloud Token website, and just check out some of these videos on here where it says getting started. I did put one on, post one as a video not long ago, just telling you about how the rewards program and everything works. But if you do that, just take 5 minutes to watch the video on the rewards program. This guy here, one of the developers, he will explain it a lot clearer than what I do, and you watch it and you'll think, wow, it's well worth a go. but definitely worth checking out. I say it is a bit slow when you start, you know, but once you do start to get referrals coming in, it does build. I mean, like you see on my one, it does work. I know it's only early days, but each time it is getting that little bit more, you know, and very quickly it will, once it does start to grow, it will start growing very quick. So although on my one it doesn't look that impressive, it's a bit slow, it is working, it is growing, and every day I say you get those rewards, and once they do start getting bigger, then you're going to make a lot more a lot quicker. So although it starts off slow, once it does kick in and you do start getting bigger referrals, your daily amount is going to get bigger and bigger. Like I said, there's people on there that are making $65,000 a month. I know that's, you know, bit off like at the minute, but it is happening, so it is possible. But yeah, just like I say, take 5 minutes out, go to link below the video, go onto the homepage and just check out some of these videos that explain everything about it. They'll explain it better than I can, but especially that one about the rewards program. So just go to get it started, go down to the rewards program, just take 5 minutes to watch that video. It might be a bit longer than 5 minutes, but just watch it and you'll see the potential that Cloud Token has got. But it's a way forward. Everyone's talking about, you know, crypto taking over, you know, taken over from currency and everything. I say it will happen. It will happen once more people know about it, because it's a lot easier, it's quicker and everything else. So it's definitely the way forward. But say do your own research, check it out for yourself, and you'll see what I mean. But I say do watch that video. It's well worth watching, and it gives you a good insight to the potential that Cloud Token's got. Anyway, I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. There's something new coming out, which I've heard about. I don't know much about it at the minute, but I've been told that it could be quite good. So as soon as I have any more information, I will give you a review. So if you're not subscribed for all the latest news. And don't forget, give me a like if you like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to check out this Cloud Token, there's a link below the video. And I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.